recording now.
Shit, like a faggot. Like some gay ass shit, like call the cops shit. And they're like,
Ha! This is me doing the fireworks!
Yeah, the cops would be.
Cop calling
Better
people
bring
are,
an ambulance.
welcome.
When was this? Like when you were a kid?
Lighting
or?
up fireworks.
When I was a kid.
Oh, wow.
You got me a refill there, son?
Well, that was nice.
It's already open.
So he took care of you as if it were me, huh? That's what I do. I open it.
Don't put it above your head, okay, Cal?
Thank you.
Out in front of you.
You already ate your food, I see.
You got that, Gregory?
Wolf time.
Gregor! Hey, where's my torch at?
She gets mad at me,
He
Jay.
whips his food down disgustingly.
Need a lighter?
Where is my torch?
Well, for 6 years you get 3 minutes to eat, you know.